Welcome back to WeSo Health Tips, where we explore natural remedies, cultural wellness, and holistic health. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated superfruits, the mighty Guineppe, also known as Spanish lime or Guineppe. If you grew up in the Caribbean, chances are you've enjoyed this small but powerful fruit as a snack. But did you know that Guineppes are packed with essential nutrients that can boost your health in amazing ways? Let's break it down. A natural remedy for anemia. Guineppes help your body produce healthy red blood cells, reducing fatigue and increasing energy. Packed with antioxidants that keep blood vessels strong, reducing heart strain and improving circulation. High calcium levels make Guineppes fantastic for long-term bone health and preventing osteoporosis. If you're dealing with bloating or slow digestion, the fiber in Guineppes helps keep your gut happy and moving. Vitamin A in Guineppes protects your eyesight, helping prevent night blindness and supporting long-term eye health. The phosphorus content strengthens your body's ability to fight off infections and repair cells. Guineppes naturally stabilize neurotransmitters, helping with anxiety, stress, and emotional balance. Contains tryptophan, an amino acid that aids in melatonin production for deeper sleep and relaxation. Vitamin A reduces the risk of bladder infections and cleanses the urinary tract. Some herbal practitioners use Guineppes as a natural remedy for herpes simplex 1, thanks to high levels of L-lysine. Low in calories and rich in fiber, keeps you full longer while supporting natural weight management. And best of all, Guineppes are super easy to eat. Just pop one in your mouth, suck the flesh off, and enjoy the burst of tangy sweetness. Guineppes aren't just eaten fresh, they've been part of Caribbean and Latin American traditions for centuries. Let's explore their cultural and medicinal uses. Jamaica and the Caribbean, Guineppe leaf tea is brewed to treat intestinal issues, diarrhea, and digestive discomfort. The seeds are sometimes roasted and eaten for extra nutrition. South America, Orinoco region. Indigenous groups roast Guineppe seeds, using them like cassava for energy and sustenance. Colombia, the juice is transformed into jams, marmalades, and refreshing drinks, said to aid digestion and boost hydration. Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico, ground seeds are used as flour substitutes in local dishes, proof that Guineppes aren't just snacks. Some cultures believe that high L-lysine levels make Guineppes a natural antiviral, especially against herpes simplex 1. Did you know Guineppe trees hold deep cultural significance in Caribbean folklore? Let's dive into some intriguing beliefs and myths. Guineppe trees were often planted near homes as spiritual guardians, believed to ward off evil spirits and negative energy. A flourishing Guineppe tree near your house was seen as a sign of prosperity, wealth, and good fortune. Elders sometimes believed spirits resided in Guineppe trees, offering wisdom and protection to those who sat beneath them. Want to express admiration for someone? Offering Guineppes was considered a playful sign of affection or romantic interest. Drinking Guineppe leaf tea wasn't just medicinal, it was believed to cleanse the body and soul, bringing inner balance and clarity. What do you think about these myths? Have you heard any Guineppe-related stories from your grandparents? Drop them in the comments. Alright, let's make Guineppes part of your daily health routine. Here are some simple ways to enjoy them. Just grab a handful and eat them right off the seed. Boil the leaves to create a cleansing and soothing drink. Blend the pulp into smoothies for a nutrient boost. Try roasting Guineppe seeds as a protein-packed snack. Guineppe pulp contains natural antioxidants that hydrate and nourish your skin. So, have you ever tried Guineppes? What's your favorite way to enjoy them? Fresh, brewed, or in a recipe? Tell us in the comments. And if you loved this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WeSo Health Tips. We've got more exciting natural health remedies, cultural wisdom, and wellness hacks coming your way. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.